2003 Acura 3.5 RL alternator replacement. First thing you do, sorry I already took the belt off. Got to a point where I said I'm not gonna do no goddamn video, I'm just gonna get this done. But people make stuff as hard as it, as they seem. So anyways, this bracket here, as you can see, there's 3 bolts in the back. 1, 2, 3, they're 12mm bolts. And this is a 14mm bolt here. Bracket goes right here. This is how the bracket sits up in the car. You see that one 14mm bolt right there. And you're gonna also have I think this is a 12mm that goes here. It's the adjuster, right? So you're gonna bust this nut loose, and then you're gonna loosen this threaded bolt here. Once you do that, the belt's gonna get loose. You can take the belt off. So you have to loosen this up, and then you're gonna have to swivel the alternator up and down like this. As you can see, belt goes up, the belt comes off, alternator goes up. Now, they say these 3 bolts are really hard to get to. Honestly, you gotta have some type of finesse. I used a 12mm short socket with a Harbor Freight ratchet. Got these 2 out easy. This 2, you can't use that because it's too thick, so you have to go with a 12mm wrench here. If you have a long one, that's great. This one, I love this one because it's swivel and it's automatic. So once you do that, you got it out. And at the very bottom, there's another 14mm right here. Once this comes out, this alternator is coming out of here. As you can see, that green harness, green connector right there, I can get to that. And also there's I think this is a 10 for the power plug here or whatever. The power cable for the alternator. I can't really get my hand in there. But once you do that, alternator's coming out. So, working with one hand, I can't really get in there. Yeah, this is the bolt here. That's like a 10, I believe. I could be wrong, but get you something in there to feel for it. I believe that's a 10. Take this goddamn harness off right here. Take this 14mm bolt out, pull the shit out, and get the job done. 2003 Acura 3.5 RL alternator replacement.